Hello guys, welcome to the new video. In this video, we focus on the Braun OMNI system, which is widely regarded as one of the most user-friendly CRRT machine due to its plug-and-play design. Press the green power button to turn on. Then select treatment. Scan the set. Go to next. Select treatment mode and also choose the heparin status. Here I choose without heparin mode according to the doctor's order and make it confirm. If you are using heparin, choose the syringe type from the options. Select any 50 or 60 ml and enter the filled volume. Here it's showing how to attach the syringe. The Omniset uses a pre-connected kit, so there is no complicated threading of individual lines. Make sure the waste bag and the connector are attached well before we use. Remove the white cover carefully. Hold the kit and lock it on the front. Also lock it on the side as well. You should hear the lock sound. Open the warmer door at the back. Hang the warmer bag on the two hooks and stretch it across the pins. Close and lock the door. Attach the pressure lines according to the color codes. Then press load. Go to next. Select effluent bag. Here I selected effluent bag 1. If available, we can use more than one bag. Hang the effluent bag on the center load cell. Make sure the connections are on the right side. Connect the yellow line into the effluent bag. Connect only one line because we choose effluent bag 1 only. Keep the other tube clamped. Hang the waste bag on the IV pole. Mix the solution and hang on the hooks. Connect one line to the bag and keep other one closed. If in case you are using two bags, connect the line separately. Connect the bag into the other side also on the same way. And break the connections from the bag. Hang the heparinized saline bag on the top of the effluent bag. Connect the arterial line to the saline bag. Clamp all the unused free-ending tubes. Go to next and enter automatic priming. Priming will take 10 minutes to complete it. Once the saline bag completed, machine will notify you. Change to other saline bag, then reset alarm. Once priming is completed, go to next. Then next again. Here we need to enter the patient details and the parameters according to the doctor's order. After confirmation, choose white or red connection. In white connection, directly we can connect both lines to the patient. In red connection, we will connect a red line to the patient and we will remove the fluid from the lines. During this time, observe for the blood pressure. Then enter fill blood lines. After the completion of blood filling, connect blue line to the patient. Then enter therapy. If any alarm occurs, make reset and increase the blood flow. Finally, make sure the blood pump and the therapy is running. By selecting the function key, can access change therapy, add heparin, bag change, temporary disconnection and end therapy. During patient care, use patient care key. Once you finish care, make deactivate. By pressing the right side of the machine, we can know all the pressures. Hopes this video helps you to understand about the Braun Omni machine. Thanks for watching and wishing you a safe and smooth dialysis sessions. Bye bye.